Dirty waters, every day, every day. Hey y'all, it's my 8-month big chop update. So this is how I wash my hair on wash days. Try to wash it at least once a week because my hair needs water to grow. Now the products I like using is Sulfur 8 just because it really does get my hair clarified. And then of course the Aussie products. So when you wash your hair with the Sulfur 8, you know your hair is really dirty. If you try to wash it the first time and it looks like this, it's not really lathering up. So I rinse that out once and then I'm going in again. And now you can see the soap is starting to lather. This means that now it's really penetrating into the hair. So if you need to wash your hair twice, do that. So then I rinse my hair out and go ahead and put the conditioner in. Now, when you have the conditioner in your hair, you want to take this opportunity to start detangling your hair. You don't want to detangle your hair dry, baby. That is just a no. You don't want to do that. So you detangle your hair while you have the conditioner in it. Then once you do that, you can let it sit for like 10 minutes and then you can go ahead and wash it out. So I just washed my hair, and usually when I put product on my hair, it looks dry just like this. But ever since I started using this right here, yeah, it defines the curls. Like, I have not been able to find a product to define my curls. So I've been moisturizing my hair with pink lotion. Y'all remember back in the day? This is literally what I've been using. Pink lotion. And please, to all the natural hairstylists, if you're like, oh, I wouldn't use that if I were you. Well, okay, so that's the first thing I do is moisturize. Second thing is I just go ahead with the oil because I've already washed my hair, so it has water on it. So I guess oil and water, I don't know, help seal the deal. That's how I think of it. So African wild growth has been my go-to recently. Not too much on the oil though. Massage, massage. And now comes the fun part. Okay, so my hair is already detangled, so I don't have to worry about that. Okay, so all I do is just take a little of this. I'm saying a little, but I really be using a lot. And I just rake it in because I get lazy. I'm not about to shingle it one by one. I don't like doing that. I'm just not that girl. And I feel like a lot of other products you have to do one by one curl. With this, you really don't have to. See that? See that? Yes, immediately, yes, immediately. Immediately. So I big chopped 8 months ago. My last update on my big chop was 4 months ago. And now it's been another 4 months. My big chop was 8 months ago, yeah. So I big chopped in July of last year. And it is now April 1st. Baby, we have some growth. Like, we are seeing some things happen now. Last mousse y'all saw me try was the pattern, but I will say the pattern definitely did leave my hair moisturized. I would say with this mousse it's way different. It will leave your hair with a little bit of a hold, so you're gonna feel that little bit of a crunchiness. It won't be bad, but it will be there. This mousse has some type of like hold in it that's like making the curls ultra defined. So, and it's so easy to use. Just make sure that you get it saturated all over. But I've been doing a good job taking care of my hair. I haven't put no heat on it. I don't even think I've blow dried my hair once. Of course, moisturizing it with something, which is usually the pink lotion. But yeah, I have not had the need to blow dry my hair. And for that, I see my curls are popping. You're wearing protective styles, you still need to wear your hair. Like, you can't just go braids back to back to back to back to back. Can't do that, baby. As much as I want to say you can do that, I'm gonna be for real, you can't do that. Well, you're not supposed to. Everybody's hair is different though, so it might be people in the comments saying they do that all the time. Hey, but if you know your hair, don't let me tell you otherwise. Make sure I get them roots. Now, some of my pieces in the front kind of be needing a little bit of assistance. So what I like to do is just take my finger and just do a little finger coil if I need to. Just a little one. In case they need a little assistance, because some of these curls in the front, I don't know what it be about the front. The front the curls ain't curling in the front sometimes. You just gotta teach them who's boss. Fro has been flourishing. I'm gonna insert some pictures so y'all can see how it's been looking. I've been getting so many compliments though on my hair. Everybody's saying it looks so good on me. That's it. Like, this is all I do, and then I just let it dry. If you've used this, comment down below if you've used, what is it called, Duo Mousse Definition Texture Foam. Texture foam. Let that dry. I'm gonna come back in like 10 minutes. Okay, now that my makeup is done, I've been using this for my edge control. Y'all know I usually use Got To Be, but the Got To Be I think is making my hair a little bit too hard and setting it in a little bit too much. So I think my hair started to break off a little bit, especially on the edges. I'm gonna show y'all, like right here. So I've just been using the gummy wax because it's just a pomade, it has oil in it. It's probably a little bit lighter than using like actual gel. This is more like a pomade, so this will be fine to use for now. Really hard. And I love the way this gummy wax smells. I did my makeup off camera, but I did it on TikTok while I was telling like a story time. So make sure y'all are following me up there to see the story time about this NFL player. Yeah. But anyway, that's it. My hair is still a little bit wet. This does take some time to dry. I need to lock in with the diffusers. So if y'all have any suggestions on diffusers, let me know. But right now, I'm just letting it air dry. These are gorgeous. I'll take some pictures. And thank y'all so much for staying updated with my curly hair. And I'll see y'all next time.